y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and tonight for dinner I am going to make some Brunswick stew, and I'm going to use my home canned items. I've got some canned barbecue and barbecue sauce. I've got some home canned chicken and broth. I'm going to be adding some sriracha, some ketchup. I'm going to add a can of cream style corn and also a can of whole kernel corn. Say that fast 3 times. And I'm just going to dump this in a pot. It's going to be my version of a dump and go recipe, so it will be really easy. And I might add more corn, I don't know, but I love corn in this. So let's get started on dinner. It's going to be quick and easy because I don't have a whole lot of time. I'm going to go ahead and add the corn. I'll add the barbecue. I might have to end up putting another can in there. That doesn't look like a whole lot. I'm going to put in my can of cream corn. Add in my chicken with the broth. I'm going to just do this to taste. I'm going to add some ketchup. 3 big squirts. That doesn't sound very good. And I'm just going to do 1 squirt of sriracha first and see how hot it is because I'm a wimp. Okay. Stir this up, and then I'm just going to break up the chicken and the pork. Some people put lima beans in theirs. I don't like beans in mine. Okay, this is heating up and it's perfect. I don't have to add anything to it. I would add some onion powder, but I can't find it in my cabinet, but that would go good with it too. You could also cook your onions in some oil before you do that to add onions if you want, but I think it's perfect just like it is. And just make sure you don't put it on a too high of a heat because it will scorch the bottom of the pan with the barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to make some Martha White buttermilk cornbread mix, and I'm just putting them in the muffin tins. I've got 6 here, and I'm going to put them in the oven, and when those get done, we'll be ready to eat. Okay, it's finally ready. These cornbread muffins are okay. They're not that great. And they kind of sprouted. But we're going to have these with our stew. Doesn't that look good? A couple of squirts of sriracha. Y'all, this Brunswick stew was delicious. Those corn muffins, not so much. But it was quick and easy using my home canned ingredients. It made it even better. So I hope you guys try it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.